1, 2, 3, read for me. Story time has just begun. 1, 2, 3, read for me. Reading books is fun.
Hi kids, today we're reading Clifford, the Big Red Dog by Norman Birdwell. I'm Emily Elizabeth and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs and some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. Look, Emily Elizabeth can ride Clifford like a horse. He's so big. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. No, Clifford, that's the policeman's stick. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. Look at poor Clifford. He can't even hide behind the house because he's too big. His wagging tail sticks out and his nose. We play camping out, and I don't need a tent. Look, Clifford's big ears provide a tent cover for Emily Elizabeth. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Clifford is taller than the house. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars and he catches some of them. Look, a man's not happy to be caught by Clifford. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. Look, even the lion is afraid because Clifford is such a big red dog. Clifford loves to chew on shoes, but very big shoes. And he digs up flowers too. Flowers on trees. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. Look, Emily's giving him tea and cakes. His house was a problem too. Clifford's doghouse has to be bigger than Emily Elizabeth's house. But he's a very good watchdog. This burglar's not going to try it with Clifford with his big eye on him. And the mean boys don't come around anymore. Clifford's a great protector. One day I gave Clifford a bath in the swimming pool. Look at all the bubbles cleaning Clifford. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. Look, this poodle won first prize, and Clifford was second, and this dog was third. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? Look, there's Emily Elizabeth and Clifford, happy together. What a great book. Reading is fun with Clifford, the Big Red Dog.